What if I tell you that we were looking at some tokens that didn't do nothing in the last year, but this one did at 25,000%, and it could be that it can continue going higher? Was it Shiba Inu? No. Cronos? No. Bitcoin? Not actually. This one, I've seen your comments and you've been telling me, hey, talk about it. Can you guess which one it is? Let me know in the comments down below, because it's a layer one blockchain that is bringing some couple of things that they claim is new. And I have my opinions about it. I want to tell you really what I think about kaspa. Cas, that's the ticker symbol. And you're seeing right now on the screen the price that it's been all right here on CoinMarketCap. I want to tell you guys that number one, this one back here in 2022, if right now is positioned 200 by market cap, this one right here, it was easily in the 600s or even 1,000 by market cap, because the price was 203. Right now, the price is 4 cents. So what a massive growth in price, obviously destroying a lot of people, destroying a lot of different projects. And the reason why kaspa is probably doing really well is because it's the nuance, whales are coming in. But that's the key. What is it? That all tokens, especially altcoins, from my experience, right? I'm just telling you what I know, and you can disagree with me. That's fine. They all go down. And after a pump, they all come down eventually, right? They swap, they sell it, they let the newcomers be the exit liquidity for the whales, and that's it. Yeah, I've seen people talking about kaspa, and well, there's a price here on CoinMarketCap, and there's the website. They say that they're the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer one in the world. Now, let's stop right there for a second. I'm not saying that they're not, and I'm not saying that it's a bad project, because I don't think it's a bad project. I don't own any kaspa. May I own later on? Probably. We'll see. I'll let you know. But what I'll tell you guys is, it's becoming a little more difficult to distinguish between Cardano, Algorand, Kaspa, Ethereum, Solana, and X, Y, and Z. So many more, right? The fact that Kaspa is doing extremely well in the 1 year, it doesn't mean that it's better than Cardano or it's better than Ethereum, but it just means that the community right now is not focused on elevating Cardano, Ethereum, and other ones, but low minimum altcoins, right, that allow them to become rich. Kaspa is one of those big gainers, similar to Tonecoin, right? If you remember, Tonecoin has been exploding too. Kaspa, it's just on a rampage too. One thing that I like about Kaspa, and I'm telling you right now, is that it has had two major retracements. Right here, at the beginning of, April 2023, a couple months ago, we see a change easily from the 0% retracement of 3 cents all the way to 1 cent. That's good. I needed to see that, because those are the resets that I need to enter a position. Nothing is guaranteed. Like it doesn't mean that kaspa was gonna once again come out swinging and do a much better price all the way to 4 cents. There are no guarantees in crypto, but it did. It did. So if you take a look at from here to 303 all the way to 4 cents, that is 25,000% plus. That is huge. Now, why is not Cronos or Shiba Inu or Bitcoin doing the same? Well, because everybody's talking about them. We all know them. Obviously, they have the attention of so many retail investors, but whales and the kings of the world, when it comes to trading, they're looking for these micro caps that they're not that much known. And once they're super high like this, we're talking about it. The last ones to know sometimes. You guys, I know some of you are looking at it and telling me from much earlier, that's fine. The reason why I'm giving it some time is because I know that for me to enter a position right now might not be the best idea, because there are no guarantees if the price is going to come down. Question. Can the price go up more and break the all-time high? Answer, yes. If we're in a bear market price situation, I can only imagine how high it can go, having 20 billion in circulating supply. Take a look at this. So 28 max, 28 billion in circulating. So we're looking at 1,000 million billion. At 20, your minimum, if Cronos, guys, has 30 to 25 billion and it reach almost $1, you're talking that it has 4 cents, similar to Cronos in price, right? That right now is 5 cents. So it has much less, just a little bit less of the maximum supply. And you're telling me that it has done a rampage. It looks much better than Cronos, and it does have a similar supply valuation. And this is just a different thing, right? When it's a crypto exchange, the other one it's a layer 1. So interesting. It's for you guys to be aware that there's always opportunities coming in. Obviously, it's good volume and some timing. The market cap is as well looking really nice. Kaspa has been growing on a rampage, and this is another thing that I think is making a lot of people bullish. For some reason, why I don't know, it's not on Binance. And it doesn't seem to be on Coinbase either. So it's only Gate.io. So you're telling me right now that the 2 most used exchanges in the world are not or yet listing Kaspa. Do you guys know what that means? It probably means that whales are going to use those times, if they ever list on Coinbase and Kaspa, to sell. Wait, Oscar, what are you saying? Shouldn't you say that that's going to be a pump to the moon event and scenario? Yes, but oftentimes now in these bear market times, you also have to acknowledge that those are perfect opportunities for whales to cash out and leave all the new liquidity in jail and forever trapped. You see? So it does give me the experience to tell you guys that obviously I can be wrong and it can just continue pumping all the way to, let's say, 10 cents. Because right now, 4 cents in a bear market price scenario with that circulating supply. And I mean, here, the tokenomics, it says the block DAG architecture with rapid block rates allow more mining decentralization and enables effective solo mining event at a lower hash rate. So it does seem that they're doing with their best knowing and the features and all of that when that Kaspa is what it is. Developed to solve the blockchain trilemma, the usage of digital asset security, scalability, and decentralization, exactly what Algorand also solves. But the reason why Algorand is not pumping is probably because the Algorand time was in 2021, and right now is Kaspa's time. So all of this, nothing so much different that I haven't seen before, but it's just the time of Kaspa to shine. Are you guys interested in this one? If you want me to keep talking about Kaspa, the only thing you need to do is smash the like button on this one. And if I see a bunch of them, I will know that you guys want to know more because I'm interested. I'm checking on DeFi Lab and I don't see Kaspa at all on the DeFi side. So this might be just a different kind of like attack plan for them. I'm still doing my research on it, but so far the price is doing fantastic and obviously people are getting crazy about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. You've been updated 25,000%, while these 3, Cronos, Shiba, and Bitcoin, sleeping. Classic crypto. Peace.